Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Nightmare Critter Baba Chops in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to start with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the center of both eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to move underneath, drawing in another big arch line, closing that off. Now on the top, let's draw in a curved line from left to right for the nose. And then we're just going to draw in two curved lines that come down for the nostrils. For the mouth in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and down on both sides. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then as well on the bottom, drawing in another arch line. Let's draw the teeth in the center now, bringing this line down, around, and then up. And then we're going to draw in a straight line in the center. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And we're going to do the same as we come out on both sides. Now as we come over, we're going to curve this line even further out on both sides again. And then now from here, we're going to close off the bottom of the face. So we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side, curving this line around, blending that back in together on the bottom. Now let's continue to close off the rest of the head. So in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line on both sides, curving this line around and then down. Let's move over now, curving this line in on both sides, coming down, arching this line through. Now as we come back in from that corner, we're going to curve this line up. And then again, one more time from the center, curving this line in. Now we're going to draw in our ears. On the right hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then down. And then we're going to move over on the left and replicate that. Now from here on the top, we're going to arch this line back through. Now let's draw on the torso. So on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with a straight line. Let's draw the skull in the center now. So we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back up on the right. And then we're going to draw in three straight lines that come up towards the top. For the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then in. We'll do the same on the right. And then now for both eyes, we're just going to draw in an oval on a slight diagonal. And then for the pendant, we're just going to close this off with two diagonal lines. Lastly, for the tail, coming over, arching this line around and then in. One more time, coming underneath. And then again, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Baba Chops in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.